You know what it feels like to me, and it really is bumming me out. It feels like beef is becoming this elite meat that is only going to be affordable by the very rich. Have you seen the price of beef lately? It's insane. Hey friends, my name is George Gianaris. I'm a chef of 36 years, and if you're here, it's because you like to eat healthy, save money, and cook like a pro. And today, we're gonna step away from beef a little bit, and we're gonna go more towards lamb. Now don't click away. This was not supposed to be one of these clickbait thumbnails that was supposed to draw you in and try to make you believe that there's a cheap porterhouse out there, because there isn't. It's more about understanding the quality and the taste of properly prepared lamb loin chops, which are basically mini porterhouses. Now, there's a few reasons why you should experiment with them. You should definitely try them. Number one, it is really healthy for you. All of the lamb that comes from Australia and New Zealand is grass-fed. Number two, it's really lean and tender and juicy. Number three, it's not gamey. I will show you how to prepare it today so it will not be a gamey meat for you. Number four, it's affordable. You'll be able to feed your family a wonderful piece of meat without breaking the bank. So let me show you how we're gonna do that today. In this 3.62 pound or 1.64 kilo package, there are 10 loin chops. They're about 2 inches or 5 centimeters thick. Definitely enough to feed 4 people, possibly 5 for roughly $7 US per person. So what's the difference between a porterhouse steak and a T-bone steak? For both cuts, there is strip loin on one side of the bone and tenderloin on the other. Porterhouse has more equal amounts of both, while T-bone has less tenderloin. Rinse the meat thoroughly under cold water. There's an oily film on the outside of the lamb. You're done rinsing it when you feel that texture go away. Place the lamb on a paper towel and pat all the pieces dry. Make sure that they are all thoroughly dry. Take a fresh lemon, squeeze the juice onto both sides of the chops and massage it in. The citrus in the lemon juice helps to remove the gaminess of the lamb, and if you've ever been afraid to prepare a leg of lamb, check out the link above for a totally gaminess-proof recipe. Season both sides of the lamb liberally with a good quality salt like Redmond salt or Celtic sea salt, and also with organic, fresh ground pepper. Press in the salt and pepper on both sides. It's summer, so I'm going to barbecue these bad boys. You can cook them in a pan or broil them if you want. Make sure that all the flames are on and the internal temperature of the barbecue is between 450 and 500 degrees. Turn the flame off where you will place your lamb. This will prevent flare-ups, but keep the other side on. The sugars in the meat will caramelize and the lamb will release itself from the grates. This will take about 5 minutes, and when that happens, flip the lamb. Liberally brush on a good quality softened butter made from grass-fed cattle, something like Kerrygold. And this is my secret weapon. It will give the lamb an unbelievable flavor: organic onion powder. Place a probe in the center of one of the lamb chops. Since they're all about the same size, it doesn't matter which one. For medium rare, set the temperature to 125 degrees Fahrenheit or 52 degrees Celsius. If you don't have a temperature probe, consider getting this one from Thermoworks. This is the Dot. It's reasonably priced, and Thermoworks makes a great product. Affiliate link is down below. And when that thermometer beeps, you're all set. Just let the lamb rest covered for about 15 minutes. All right, let's give this little bad boy a go. This is so soft, so delicious. Perfectly cooked, medium rare. By treating the lamb loin chop with the lemon and seasoning it simply with salt, pepper, a little butter, but that onion powder on top just changes the whole dynamic of the flavor. It no longer tastes like lamb. It tastes more like beef. The texture is significantly leaner than beef. So it would be more like a really juicy, tender eye round. That would be the texture of it. It tastes absolutely delicious. It's tender, it's juicy, it's grass-fed, it's inexpensive compared to beef. It's a healthier meat. This particular cut is significantly leaner. You gotta give this a try. And when you do, leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button if this video impressed you. Hit that like button, and we'll see you again very soon.
How to keep the healing.